track is the starting point of the journey. Climbing is a glorious witness. Yueging Jixiang Connector Company Limited. Growing together with customers. Yueging Jixiang Connector Company Limited. Based on the two advantages of technology research and development and manufacturing. Professionally committed to the research and development of various cable glands and wiring accessories, it is a national high-tech enterprise integrating production, manufacturing, and sales. The company has been implementing talent-oriented, quality-centered, has a number of masters, bachelor's, high and middle-level technical backbones, and cultivate a group of top talents in the industry. We have a professional service technical team, constantly forge ahead and improve ourselves. The company won the National High-Tech Enterprise and always implement ISO 9001, IATF 16949 Quality Management System, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health Management Certification. The product has EU, CE, ROHS, ROHS, ATEX, TUE, IP68, EX, and a number of product patent certificates, such as National 3C certification, technological innovation, excellent quality. The company has set up a technology research and development center, committed to the development and design of all products. At the same time, we design products with special requirements for customers. All products are designed according to national experimental standards. Product testing and reliability testing throughout the process. Always provide customers with more professional products. Won the trust and support of customers. Precise production process. High quality raw materials. Strict quality source control. Every process is excellence. Advanced automation equipment is accurately implemented in every production link. Refined management. Continuous improvement of product quality. Reach the domestic leading level. Main products in our company includes brass with nickel-plated waterproof cable glands, stainless steel waterproof cable glands, nylon waterproof cable glands, waterproof connectors, mini junction boxes, explosion-proof cable glands, EMC metal cable glands, metal flexible cable glands, brass conduit fittings and glands, breathing valve, and etc. At present, products supply domestic and foreign electronics, wind power industry, communication, electrical complete set, meter, mechanical, and so on for multiple neighborhoods, and exported to more than 20 countries. Steady progress on the road of internationalization, diversification, and professional development. Taking honesty as the foundation of the business, innovation as the way of development, we firmly believe Jixiang, with a new image, it will stand in the forest of enterprises. Yueging Jixiang Connector Company Limited.